This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this is a test message tornado warning for all Illinois counties until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning as part of Illinois Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information and a location of movement of the storm. This is a test message. This is a communications exercise. Please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school. This is a test message. Do not take action based off this message.